This is the practice test for charts and graphs, and we are looking at questions 19 and 20. And we're given this chart here of the number of robberies in the United States from 2009 to 2014. So we want to look at the chart for a minute, get an understanding of it. And we notice that along the horizontal axes, we have the years, 2009, 2010, and so on up to 2014. Along the vertical axes, we have the number of robberies, and this is given to us in thousands. So, for example, we have 300 right here. That would be 300,000, 320,000, 340,000, and so on. So now we can look at the questions. Question 19, how many robberies were there in 2010? So we go to the year 2010, and we want to go straight up to our line graph, and we have 356, and the answer would be 356,000 because these numbers are given to us in thousands. And then for question number 20, what was the decrease in the number of robberies from 2009 to 2014? So there's going to be a decrease from 2009 to 2014. So we look up here and we find the number of robberies in 2009, and that is 394,000. And then in 2014, the number is 312,000. And so the question is, what was the decrease? And to find the decrease, we're going to subtract the 2, and we have 82,000 is the difference or the decrease in the number of robberies.